This video is on how to make a mint matcha tea pineapple smoothie. I'll get started showing you how to make it, and if you want to know all about the health benefits of this particular smoothie, stay to the end of the video. These are the ingredients you'll need: agave nectar, a banana, an avocado, a lemon, fresh mint leaves, a good culinary grade matcha powder, frozen pineapple, and coconut milk. You can get all these items from your local grocery store, or if you want to have it delivered to you, I'll put links to everything in the video description below as well as in the comments. First, add half a cup of ice. Add 1 chopped avocado. Now slice 1 banana. Add the sliced banana to the blender. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of matcha powder. Add half a cup of frozen pineapple. Add 1 cup of coconut milk. Add 1 tablespoon of agave nectar. Now for the fresh mint leaves, add about this much. I don't recommend using more than this unless you want a really strong, pungent, minty taste. I prefer the taste of the mint more in the background behind the other flavors. This blender is a Ninja Professional Plus. All I do is hit the smoothie button and it does all the work for me. I don't need to set a timer or stop and mix it up with a spoon and then start it over again or any of that nonsense. I can walk away from it, and when it's done blending, I can come back and it's going to be perfectly smooth. It's just like you bought a $20 smoothie from one of the smoothie shops in Las Vegas. It won't be granular or have chunks of ice or anything like that. It's just going to be perfect. I'll go ahead and put a link to this blender along with the ingredients in the video description. All that's left to do is pour it into a glass. Now I'm just going to garnish it with a lemon slice and some fresh mint leaves and add a smoothie straw. Culinary grade matcha like this one has about twice as much caffeine as regular green tea. It's high in cancer-fighting antioxidants. It contains fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. It has vitamin C, chromium, magnesium, selenium, and zinc. And it may help reduce blood sugar and cholesterol. It can boost metabolism to help you burn more calories, and it may improve your mood. As for the health benefits of fresh mint leaves, it may help lower blood sugar. It has rich immune-boosting antioxidants. It's good for heart health. It may protect brain health. It promotes digestion and gut health. It may fight infections, and it may protect your skin. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.